In this video, I have 5 reasons that why you should try out the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Starting off with the number one thing, and that's the new design. You might be thinking that this looks like Galaxy S24. Well, that's not true. The design from the back looks kinda same, but the front and sides of this phone are getting redesigned. Now we have rounded corners for better grip and comfort. Galaxy S24 Ultra was really hard to hold when you used it without a case. Also, the display is getting even smaller bezels, and this will give phone a much better screen to body ratio. This will be a second generation anti-reflective display. Only Samsung is doing it right now in the market. If you haven't used a Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should check it out to see what's the difference. Reason number 2, and that's the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. From Galaxy S21 to S22 and from S23 to S24, there has been a minimal performance gain year over year, but with Galaxy S25 Ultra, this gap is getting even bigger. Snapdragon 8 Elite is the most powerful processor out there, even beating Apple's A18 in multi-core performance. This chipset can play console games via different emulators. Also, all Galaxy S25 models will be getting 12GB of RAM as standard, and if you're getting a 512GB model, there will be an option of 16GB RAM model. Reason number 3, and that's a new ultra-wide camera with better detail. With iPhone 16 Pro, Apple introduced a new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and to compete with that, Samsung is going to introduce a new 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera on Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sadly, that's the only new sensor we're getting on Galaxy S25. Rest the main and telephoto cameras are exactly the same from Galaxy S24 Ultra. Reason number 4, and that's the new Qi 2 wireless charging with MagSafe, means that now wireless charging will be a bit faster, and you can use all MagSafe accessories with Galaxy S25 Ultra. Right now, if I place my Galaxy S24 on this MagSafe wireless charging stand, it does not work. But if I put my MagSafe case on S24 and then use it with the stand, now you can see that it works. So MagSafe for Galaxy S25 is something new. In the end, reason number 5, and that's One UI 7 with new AI features that will be only available for Galaxy S25 series. Some of those features are the ability to remove objects from a video. Yes, from a video. Before that, you could only do this with photos on Galaxy S24. You can also record log video in raw colors, and then you can edit or color grade later on, exactly like ProRes video on iPhone 16 Pro. Many new AI features will be also there that we don't know yet. One downside with Galaxy S25 Ultra, if that's true, is going to be no Bluetooth with S Pen. Means if there is no Bluetooth with S Pen, then you cannot use it as a remote for camera control or for camera gestures. Let's see how true is that. Don't forget to subscribe as I'll be posting my Galaxy S25 videos soon. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.